So guys, here you can see it, one more video admin game on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 628 by the name of maximum product of three numbers. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and if you are new here, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all the notification bell also for more amazing these type of tutorials. So now let's move to computer screen and let's start to solve today's question. 628 question. First of all, and we are solving this question in Python 3 by the way, and this is an easy one question which we are solving. In total 9,37,000 people have submitted it and only 4,25,644 has been accepted, and this question is based on three topics of array, math and sorting. Okay, so now let's move to computer screen. Let's start to solve today's question. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Let's start today's video. In today's video, we are solving a question number 628 by the name of maximum product of three numbers. So now let's start to solve today's question. Now it has been given me an integer array by the name of nums. Okay, here you can see it in the example 1, example 2 and example 3. We want to find three numbers whose product is maximum and return the maximum product. Okay, so now first of all, what do we want to do now? First of all, we understand the example 1. There is one example 1 in which he had given an integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote in down 1, 2, 3 and the output is becoming 6. This is our first example. Let's come to the second example. Here he created the same as here he created the here he created the one integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote in down 1, 2, 3, 4 and the output is becoming 24 in this example. Okay, now let's come down. Here we created a example 3, one more integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote in down 1, minus 2, minus 3 and output is becoming minus 6. If you see the example 1, example 2 and example 3, the example 3 is much different from example 1 and example 2, because in example 3 here we wrote in down our numbers in minus. Okay, here you can see it. So why it is very different, let me tell you in the LeetCode website. Okay, when I go there. Okay, and now there are the two constants it has been given you. If you want to read it, so read it. Okay, and now let's try to solve today's question. We want to find the three numbers whose product is maximum and then we return the maximum product. Okay, now let's go on. So first of all, let's come on to our LeetCode website, and here you can see it. Total 9,37,000.8k subscribe people have submitted it, and only 4,25,650 has been accepted, and total acceptance is 45.4%. So it must be little bit harder. Okay, and there are three topics are included on this question by the name of array, math and sorting, and there are the some discussions it has been given you, but we dismiss it. Okay, and there are the similar question it has been also given you, means like similar very. So now let's start to solve this question. This is a easy one question which we are solving in Python 3. Okay, now first of all we define here class of a solution, and S will mean capital def maximum product self comma nums. So nums is our integer array, so we define list and then it, because it is an integer array, so must be we define our integer in list. Okay, because it is an integer array, so we define int a equals to sorted nums. So our integer array name is nums, so we write here nums. Then we return max a minus 1 multiply by a minus 2 multiply by a minus 3. Okay, in programming this sign we called multiplication. Okay, multiply sign a 0 multiply by a square bracket 1 multiply by a square bracket minus 1. Okay, now understand. So I hope you write it all the code. There is a very little bit code because there is a easy one question. Now let's see the running code. So now here you can see it has been accepted. In the case 1, expected output is 6 and my also output has been coming 6. In the case 2, the expected output is 24 and my also output has been coming 24. In the case 3, the expected output is minus 6 and my also output coming minus 6. So now let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code is also be accepted and I beat 36.08% people. So now let's post this solution. Let's be copy this and paste it. Perfect. And then post it. So here's in today's video we saw question number 628 by the maximum product of 3 numbers. If you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And one more thing I want to tell you that if you want to view my profile, so you can also view it. And here inside you can also be much notice all the skills if you want to solve any question of a LeetCode cam. Okay. So now let me see you next video amazing video. But for now, first of all, you come out to my channel, like you all the people know what is my channel name, Rayyan. And you have successfully completed 4.5k subscriber on this channel. So please complete 6k subscriber, sorry 5k subscriber on this channel. And you can also see my all the videos which you like, which any video you will click and you will be seeing it. Okay. And come on to the playlist and come on to the master LeetCode camp playlist, and please access this playlist, bookmark it and see my all the videos on this playlist. And you have completed 139 views on this playlist, so please complete 500 views on this playlist. Okay, so now let's meet you in the next video, and next very amazing video like this type of. So now for today, good bye.